Hello friends, this is unboxing of HDMI cable. Let us see. There is a lot of cushion in the box, and this is the HDMI cable, Tizam HDMI cable. The MRP says $6.99. I got it for 145 rupees. And it is supposed to be 1.8 meter long, I think. So this HDMI cable is basically used to connect your laptop with, say, your TV. So for example, when you want to run videos on laptop and transfer them on TV, then this is the best way rather than using a USB disk or USB drive to transfer content and do all that. Looks good. I will test it and let you know.